Hello and a very warm welcome to the fourth edition of ET India Net Zero Forum 2026. I'm Shahij Kaul and I'm joined by Dr. Medhavi Kulkarni, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha and Chairperson, Parliamentary Standing Committee for Science and Technology, Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello.
Ma'am, I would want to ask you, from a science and technology perspective, what kind of collaborative frameworks do you think are needed between central research institutions, parliamentary policy frameworks, and private energy developers to ensure India becomes an exporter of green technology rather than an importer?
So I would first like to congratulate Economic Times for organizing this event. This is a very important event that has been organized because all the world is talking about this and expecting India that India is doing regarding this. So we are growing fast economically also and with taking hand to hand environmental sustainability. So what our committee, department related standing committee regarding environment, forest and climate change will do. So in the purview of committee, there is a certain aspect there is certain expectations which are from the parliamentarians which are in that committee. So the policies which the government has is going to implement for the country, those policies come for the inspection or for the analysis to the committee, and we all parliamentarians which are well aware of that policy, we study on that policy and we give recommendations, we give report to the ministry of it, and then it goes for the implementation. Other aspect is that after passing the bill also it comes for the review. Then the analysis has been done that what implementations are being done all across the country. So different secretariats, different states, heads of that states come in front of us and as the witness, and on each and every aspect, like forest fire or climate change or what are the other things which are helping regarding the environment sustainability, that is being analyzed there. The experts are also there, the officials of governments are also there, and the parliamentarians are also there. They talk together and discuss on the policies.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for giving such insightful answers. And for more such live updates, stay tuned to ET Energy World.